Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to show you how to format your bullying brochure pamphlet on a Google Doc. First step is go to File, then down to Page Setup. You want to click Landscape Mode. And while you're here, you want to change all the margins to 0.25 inches. If you wish, you can change the color of your pamphlet on this page setup as well. Once you're set, click OK. The next thing we need to do is format. Go down to columns. You can simply click on the 3-column format. Some of you may wish to add more options. There you can put a line between the columns if you wish. That's completely up to you. I don't necessarily recommend that. The last thing you need to do before getting to work on your 2-page 6-column bullying brochure is press the enter button. As you can see right now, I cannot with my cursor move around my page very well. So press the enter button, just hold it down and cycle through the 3 columns on your first page, and again the 3 columns on your second page, until you get to that 3rd page that you don't need to use. Now, with my cursor, I can move around my pamphlet anywhere, any way I wish. One thing to keep in mind, here on my first page, this is actually my title page, the one on the right side of the front page. If we were in school and we actually printed these and folded them, that would be the flap that would be on the front. This flap right here would be your back page, page 6. So the first page, I'll label it your title page, is right there. Page 6 is on the back. This page over here, the far left column, would actually be the inside flap, if that matters to you. And then this would all be on the inside of your trifold here in page 2. So the only ones that really matter would be the title page and the back center page. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can come check me out during my office hours. You should also, one last thing, I guess, title your doc, bullying brochure pamphlet. And when you're done, make sure you submit that to me in Google Classroom.